Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily watch videos in TikTok without internet. Please subscribe to our channel, and also friends, be sure to put your likes under this video, and please write your comments after watching. So let us get down with you on this topic, and now I will show you everything in detail. Sometimes there are situations when we would like to occupy ourselves with something, and TikTok helps us very well. But if you find yourself in an area where there is no internet connection, it can be frustrating that you can't view your feed in TikTok. But if you know in advance that you're going to be in an area where there will be a poor internet connection, you can anticipate this situation and make it so that you can watch TikTok videos even without internet. How to do it? First, open the app itself, and then go to your profile. On the top right, click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy. Scroll through this menu for a little bit. And now you will need to select the option, which is so-called offline videos. The next step, you will be prompted to upload a certain number of videos. As you can see, there can be 50, 100, 150, or 200 videos. Also underneath them will be the approximate time they will take to watch. So, for example, 50 videos will take you an average of 30 minutes to watch. How much memory will this take up? For example, 50 videos is 100 MB and so on. You choose the amount you need, and then what you need to do is to click download. So friends, you will have downloaded exactly the number of videos that you have chosen, and at the moment when you will be without internet, you can go to TikTok and watch videos. This is how you can quickly and easily upload your videos to TikTok for viewing without internet. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you, friends!